TERRIFFIC is a pan-European project involving 10 partners from different nations. Some are first responders, some are technical providers, some are consultancy organisations. And we're all working together to produce this terrific architecture and terrific system.
TERRIFFIC is about improving the efficiency of operation for first responders. The most important thing for first responders is the first 30 minutes of the intervention, and TERRIFFIC has the aim to provide some tools that will help improving the efficiency. Today we are here for the first trials campaign, and we have the aim of trying the individual components. This is the first year of the project out of 3. And within the first year we are just testing the components, so the cameras, the sensor itself, and also the mobility units, so the drone and the robot.
Having to ensure more safety for first responder and specialized responders, and to have a better analysis of the situations.
So we are bringing the drone to the TERRIFFIC project, and we have developed a specific interface to the various sensors from CEA and from Arctis to increase the ability of the drone and the sensors. We are also developing the interface to the control management system.
And at Nextel Robotics we focus on the autonomous functions of the robots to make them able to move in unknown territories and to explore some buildings.
Well, the goal is of course that we be able to locate the sources with our super module, so the drone can fly in, or the robot can go into the contaminated zones and really locate the different, or the highly contaminated places. And then the modes fan will help all of the people that have come out of this zone to really check, is there any contamination on this person, is he being cleaned correctly, these kind of things.
What we're developing in TERRIFFIC is a mobile augmented reality system that is designed to plug over the top of the unmanned aerial vehicles and robots and the sensors to provide a kind of magic eye view of the incident.
Higher up TERRIFFIC will be able to improve the safety of first responders and specialized responders, and to improve the tactical situation analysis.